Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects from your photos in Picsart. So, for instance, there's something covering up your image and you don't want that. Select remove objects, and I'm just going to find one, like a random photo here. Let's do this one, and I want to remove an item from that photo. It's easier like this, but as you can see, this one, wait, what is this? Okay, so select your brush and remove the item that you want to remove. I'm just going to quickly do this. Obviously, you want to be a little bit more tedious than that. Then you're just going to wait for it to apply. And ta-da, it's gone. And you're just going to apply. I don't know if this is a pro or free feature. Let's like apply. If I can apply, that means it's for, oh, it is a premium item. But this is just me showing you guys how you can remove objects. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!